my name is Arjun and welcome back to another amazing recipe. Today we'll be making pull-apart basil and garlic bread. This recipe is very easy and very fun to make. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! To start making the dough, we'll take a food processor and we'll add in flour, sugar, instant dry yeast and salt. And we'll give it a mix. Now we'll add in milk and we'll add in water gradually while mixing. Now that our dough has started to come together, we'll add in oil and we'll continue kneading. Now I'll take a large bowl and we'll grease it with olive oil. And we'll place our dough inside of it. And we'll cover it with cling film. And we'll let it sit for 1.5 hours or until it doubles in size. It's been 1.5 hours. Let's check our dough. Wow, it looks beautiful. Now I'll dust my counter with dry flour and I'll transfer our dough. And we'll divide it into 12 equal parts. And now we'll roll circles out of all of these parts. I'm rolling them to be about 3.5 inches in diameter. Now let's prepare our butter. Here I have softened butter. Into this I'll add in basil, dried rosemary and minced garlic. And now we'll spread this butter on our circles and layer them. Now I'll cut these stacks into semicircles and place them in my greased loaf tin. The kitchen smells amazing. Now I'll let my loaf rest for another 25 to 30 minutes for final proofing. Now that our loaf is all poofed up, let's pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Hear that? It's done. Ta-da! Straight out of the oven, I'll spread some butter on it. Let's give it a try. The basil and garlic flavor is amazing. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.